seats.
That's a worry.
Deepika, yes. Deepika from Varanasi. Deepika, what's the latest update? Yes, go ahead, please.
5,97,000 voters in favor, votes in favor of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and around 4 lakh in favor of Ajay Rai. Earlier we were continuously talking and expecting that Varanasi is not at all a fight when we talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is his constituency and the voters really want Prime Minister Narendra Modi in large numbers. But here when we look at the numbers and the margin, only a lakh and more difference clearly suggests that there is a fight that has been put forward by Congress's side and especially Ajay Rai. Ajay Rai was also very confident when we had earlier had a conversation with Ajay Rai and Dr. C.P. Rai also, who's been the former cabinet minister in Congress, and Dr. C.P. Rai said that BJP workers, they've not been going to the rural areas and that can all the more be the reason why the people, they don't want to vote in favor of Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is a factor that can be seen when we talk about Varanasi seat, because till now it's been almost 6 hours and plus that we've been looking at the counting, and the counting figures are failing to please in favor of Bharatiya Janata Party. And if we talk about the overall situation of UP here and BJP, then 37 is to 32, which means MY factor versus MY factor. MY factor for BJP stands for Modi plus Yogi, whereas MY factor for the rest of the parties, the India Alliance, stands for the Muslims plus the Yadavs. And we know that UP is one such state where you've got a very good caste factor, caste vote share, which dominates the entire state, and something of that sort has also happened here. And also a very quick 30-second statement here, because when we look at the promises which has been put forward by Samajwadi Party, we've been following their rallies also. No Bijli bill, which means no electricity bill, more job opportunities, more caste reservation. This has been the promise which has been put forward by Samajwadi Party and seems like it is working for them.
All right, we'll see how when the trends convert into results, and we'll have to see. And now, Deepika, just stay with us. We will come back to you in a bit, but you can just stay.
Let's bring up, we were getting a graphic on screen which is about the vote share that has emerged. You can see the figures for 2019. That was what